So, Mama, what is this? Do you know?
I
What is,
don't know.
you don't know what is this?
I don't know.
Okay, is this an apple?
No.
Is this a banana?
No.
Is this a piece of watermelon?
Yes.
Yes, it's a piece of watermelon, and right now we are consuming, we are taking, we are having this piece of watermelon, and it's a so delicious.
Bye bye.
It's a so delicious fruit in our Bangladesh. It's not only Bangladesh but also all over the world. So it's a so delicious, and when you take something, when you take something, you feel so well. It's a so delicious, it's a so tasty, and right now we are consuming this watermelon. So if you are interested in English, so you must follow my channel and you subscribe my YouTube channel. And we are teaching, we are not teaching, we are learning English practically. So thanks for watching my videos and see you next video. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.